good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. Hello, everyone. I want to introduce myself. I am Myrna Farley. How I landed here in YouTube. Well, this was started on 2020 after passing of my late husband. So I joined in YouTube, but I wasn't really focused on it. I just posted a video what I'm doing, why I'm going through with my grief, my sorrows, and living by myself. It's a struggle. It's hard, but I'm trying to get strong and put myself into a good situation as better as I can be. And the reason why I want to share my story, because I know it's not only me who experience when you lose somebody that who is very dear to your heart. And especially for me, I came here in America 2005 in United States of America. And my life was just evolved, work, and to my serving with my husband. I never had any other outlet. When I go out, I was with my husband. We were going out together. We're inseparable. And when I go out, it's very seldom. I only go out with one friend. And if I go out with other friend, other group of friend that was in our church, from our church, and it's with my husband and the family of my husband. So when he passed away, it was shocking for me. I wasn't prepared. I wasn't ready, and I know I was been praying for that he will not suffer because he had a dementia. I was praying because living a person with had dementia, it's very hard because they're alive but their minds is not with it. It's not there. He only know me and my kids. Other than that, he forget everything. So that's why all the reason behind those videos that I'm sharing to you guys, I posted all what I'm wearing, what I'm doing before I go out. Before I go to church, I go to work, I go to grocery. I took all videos what I'm wearing just to cover up my pain, my sorrows. But behind that, there's a deeper pain. Until I suffered, I get an autoimmune disease, and there is still a deeper illness on that. You know, the autoimmune disease. I know I'm not alone. There's so many. But my illness doesn't stop me. I want to continue. I want to be productive. I have a very small business. I have a cleaning business, and it's a commercial and healthcare. But I'm not sharing this here. I just want to share my story. I know there's a lot of people that who experience like me, that when you were somebody who passed away, that who is very dear to your heart, it's very hard. But you have to choose to be strong, because you're not thinking of yourself alone. You're thinking of your children, your family, and you're not doing just because of yourself. You have to choose to be strong, and I'm choosing to be strong, to continue to fight, and I know I will win, and I'm winning this. That's why I never stop. It's really hard, especially for me. I'm living by myself, but I know I'm not alone. I have God with me, and I just want to share. And this is my first time to share. And there's more to come. And I just want you to enjoy my story. I'm not a professional speaker, or I don't know how to start. But there's here in my heart, inside of my heart, that I just want to share to the whole world. Wherever my video can reach, wherever in the world who can watch my video. And I want to give an inspiration to every one of you guys. God bless you all. I hope you love all my videos I post.